Got your Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max set up, but not sure how to install more apps on it? Whether you want streaming apps like Disney+, Hulu, HBO Max, Peacock TV, Spotify, or sports channels like ESPN or Fox, I'll show you exactly how to find and download all your favorite apps on your Fire TV Stick. Alright, so you can find the App Store in several ways. Just pick the one you're comfortable with. One way is to click on the search icon at the top of the home screen, then manually search for App Store and select App Store from the exact result. Or, after the update, in the new interface, you can also hit the hamburger menu from the home screen and click on the App Store option. You can also press on the Alexa voice input option on your remote and straight ahead search for App Store. Now you're inside the App Store. Here you'll see all the built-in and pre-installed apps that you can use on your Fire Stick, along with other available apps. You can scroll through this section or use the search bar to look for a specific app and check if it's available. When you find the app, click on it, then click on the download icon. That's the downward arrow to start installing the app. Once it's installed, the app will automatically be opened. If you're not sure if you got any specific app installed, just voice search for that app, open Hulu, and it will either be opened or you will end up in the download section. Now, once the app is installed, back on the home screen, and if you've recently used a few apps, just press the Recents button on your remote to access them instantly. That's it. Thanks for your time.